other big phenomenon to come out of skateboarding is Tony Hawk's video game series, his skateboarding series. It came out in 1999 and continued to come out till about 2015. It's still one of the best-selling video game franchises of all time. In 1999, June 27 till July 4th, X Games 5 happened in San Francisco, attracting nearly 275,000 spectators. Those in attendance were treated to Tony Hawk's first ever Skateboarding 900 and the X Games debut of Moto X. At the beginning of 2000, skateboarding was extremely popular. In fact, more Americans were skateboarding in 2000 than playing baseball. In 2001, teenagers were watching more action sports than college football and basketball. This led to a creation of a promising new skate, surf, and snow channel called Fuel TV by Fox. It helped basically people stay connected to action sports, the X Games action sports, like skateboarding, surfing, kind of 24/7, kind of like an MTV version of action kind of X Games. It came out in 2003 and lasted about a decade, just under a decade. Fuel canceled all the skate shows to make room for UFC shows. That was one of the first shifts in the change of skateboarding culture. In the 7 years between 2006 and 2014, the number of skateboarding participants aged between 6 and 17 years of age decreased from 8.75 million to less than 4 million. Some say it's partly due to the increase of scooters in skate parks. Many skaters are complaining about getting snaked by scooters or the increasing crowds of scooters in skate parks. Skaters of the late 1990s saw the death of rollerblading for them, so they were like the reason why rollerblading died, and now I think some people are thinking maybe scooters might be the reason why skateboarding might be dying. It's definitely decreasing. Scooters are definitely swarming local state parks more than ever before. Local skate parks more than ever before. The youth on scooters is definitely increasing. Although the millennials and the Gen Xers have definitely stuck to their skateboard, so there definitely is an age gap there, and we're definitely seeing fewer people starting to skateboard now more than ever before. Thrasher magazine, which is still around, a skateboarding magazine founded in 1981, is still in circulation. It's still about 250,000 people are still getting Thrasher magazine, and there's definitely a clothing line and a video series. Although Skateboarder magazine is gone, as is Fuel TV. The fact that skateboarding was supposed to be in the Olympics, and hopefully still will be when it does kind of resume later this year or next year. Hopefully that'll bring back the shift. I think that might be the pendulum swing that changes skateboarding culture again. As we've discussed, it happened before. Skateboarding came, it went away, came back, went away. So let's see. I hope it lasts. So fingers crossed, skateboarding doesn't go away, although right now it looks like it's definitely declining. So I'm going to leave you with one last thing. This is one of my favorite things ever done by Spike Jonze, who Spike Jonze began his career actually as a skateboard videographer, and basically would film people doing tricks around town, and kind of got his chops as a director through that. He did this most amazing title sequence with explosions and skateboarding. So watch this. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.